Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Rob, and I'm currently in the middle of a light bar install. However, I feel like a lot of people always want to know, how do I take apart essentially the interior of the Tacoma in order to get to that switch area so you can put on a new switch like I'm going to do. So while this will be a part of my light bar install video, I will also go ahead and just make this a separate one. So let's go ahead and let's get to all the necessary steps. All right, you guys, first things first, we got to take off this bottom piece. So to do that, just go ahead and pry this off. Now, there are just clips under here, so nothing too crazy. Do excuse the mess. It's been raining a lot. So, there we go. So that's done. So now you are wondering why we are taking off this part. You will see in a second. All right, you guys, so now we have to remove this lower part. So how do you do that? Well, on the inside is actually just a plastic twist screw that we will have to essentially just twist out. So let me go ahead and twist that out and let me show you guys what it is. All right, you guys, so that screw right there, that's all you take out. So just take that out. And then after you take that out, you're going to be able to essentially just pry it off. I'll show you guys the best way to pry it. All right, guys, so now that the screws are removed, we're going to go ahead and you're not going to pull it towards you. You're going to go to the right, because that's where the screws are intended. So check that out. So look, there's one screw and the other one is down here. Just gotta be very careful about it. Don't want to crack this. Should have removed that beforehand. There we go. And now that is off. Now we're removing this so we could access the 3 screws that we need to take off to take this whole thing off. Let me show you. All right, you guys behind the camera. So this one, that's a 10 mil and another 10 mil. And the other one is right up there. So just remove those 3 and then we'll be able to pull this off. Nice and easy, guys. All right, you guys, now we went ahead and we're done. Now we just pry it off. Took off the 3 screws. So just get in here. Of course, there may be a lot of clips here. And there we go. We accessed it, guys. Now you can do whatever you need to do. Guys, that was really easy. I think this video is only going to be like 2 minutes long, guys. So with that, guys, have a good one. And yeah, see y'all later.